Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Syvon. If you guys are new here, my name is Syvon. If you guys are returning subbies, hey girl, hey. Today is Vlogmas day 7. I know I'm starting to vlog off late. Get myself together. Oh, I'm ready to get new bar stools for real. But I'm just getting home. I got off at 3 o'clock today. It is currently 4. So yeah, I got off of work. I went and got me some gas. I pumped my gas, came home, checked my mailbox because I got a package delivered. I'm so excited. So yeah, I got my package. I ordered a mini fridge, a skincare fridge from Good Molecules. If y'all do not know, I use Good Molecules skincare products and I absolutely love their products. So I had to buy the skincare refrigerator. So I kind of want to, should I do it? I want to do an unboxing with y'all. Should I do an unboxing? Because I want to make a reel too, so I can post it. I might do it later, but I can just show y'all what the refrigerator looks like. This is what the refrigerator looks like, y'all. Well, don't mind all the products, but that's what the refrigerator looks like. It's so cute. I can't wait to open it and see what it looks like. And then I also ordered some new, well, it's not new. One of the items in there is new, but the other one is not. It's just my eye cream underneath. And then I bought some eye mask as well, under eye mask. So hopefully that doesn't burn my skin. Every eye mask that I've tried, like under eye mask that I've tried, it has always burnt my skin and it made it rough underneath here. Like it burns and it breaks me out underneath here. So hopefully that doesn't happen with this one. I don't know, we're gonna see. I kind of want to fold these clothes up. I was gonna take me a shower first, but I know me, and I know if I take a shower right now, I'm not gonna want to deal with laundry, and I really need to fold those clothes up because those clothes have been sitting there for about a week and a half now, because every week we wash clothes. Y'all, look at her. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, so I just set up my refrigerator. I don't know if I like this setup. I'm gonna probably just have it facing like this, but this is like glass, so you can write stuff on here, or like you can be like, you're so beautiful today, or you are a queen, or just write you some positive affirmations. And y'all, I think this is so cool. Like, this is gorgeous. Like, look at this. Good Molecules. I've always wanted like a skincare fridge, and I just never got one, but I have one now. So it has like a little button on the side where you press it open. Make sure they close. Okay, so it has like a little button on the side. You press it open and it comes open. And then look at all my skincare, y'all. This is all of, well, not all of my skincare. I do have some other stuff, but I was trying to fit it in here. So I need to put this one in here because this is the one I'm using now, but it came with another one. And so the new product that I'm using, well, that I ordered, is this caffeine energizing hydro gel eye patches. So hopefully these won't irritate my skin or anything. We'll see. I don't know. But y'all, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Alright y'all, so this is my skincare fridge. Is it a fan on this side too? It is. Okay, let me pull it out some. Maybe it can stay like that. It's cute. It's my mini fridge. Alright y'all, so I'm out of the shower. Skincare is done. My skin feels really good. I put on some retinols tonight. So I do retinol every other night, so 3 times a week. I do it 3 times a week, so every other night. I'm gonna see if I break out, because I feel like every time I put on retinol, I break out for some reason. Like I had a really big breakout here, and then I had one on my chin, and then one up here on my forehead. So I'm going to try the retinol and see if it breaks me out. I did not use my toner. I'm gonna use my toner in the morning. So I'm done with shower, skincare, lotion. I need to put on some perfume. I like to spray me like a little body mist so I can smell good while I sleep. So yeah, right now me and babe are going to go get us something to eat. Probably gonna go to Whataburger and get us a little burger, and then we're gonna come back home, eat our burger, and then watch a movie probably and call it a night, y'all. It's currently 7:12. So yeah, we're off tomorrow. We both got off tomorrow, which is really good. So we're off tomorrow, which is Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 3 days off. Why is that so wide? We got 3 days off, y'all. Hubby's allergies is messing with him. Oh, my poor baby. Y'all, he is out of there. Knocked out. He just laying over there like all bills are paid, just relaxed. So I'm just gonna find me something to eat in the kitchen. His allergies is messing with him. But yeah, we was gonna go to Whataburger to get us some food, but I'm not driving by myself, especially late at night. So yeah.
Maybe because the lights are on as well.
Let's see. Y'all, we're trying to see how this tree looks. Oops, sorry. So I'm gonna turn off the lights in the house. This is our tree, guys. It's just like, it's so dark up here too. Like, it's nothing to light up the star, you know? But that's how our tree looks, guys. That's how it's looking. I think it might look a little better once we add like the presents, the gifts underneath. And I'm doing fake boxes too to like, you know, place fillers. I would add that like here, but like right here, just to add some flavor to it. But this long piece right here, I don't know. I was thinking the longer ones can go inside the vases, because it's not gonna go on the tree. It's just, it won't. I was thinking maybe, you know, to add a little bit more flavor, Let me pull y'all up. Get y'all some height to you. So I don't know, y'all, we're gonna see. So this is what they look like. So I just left the blue fake pumps in the back, and I put the little silver thingy majiggies in the front of it. And I got my little painting I did. Me and my husband. We got our little stockings. And then the little Christmas decor stuff underneath here. And then this, yep. So that was the new stuff that we just bought from At Home the other night. I still have to do the wreath. See, we need a tree like this. This is the kind of tree we need to get. Because it looks full. This one?
Yeah.
It looks full. And then I could have done
that tree is different. That's what's chewing it out.
The tree is just so small. And then I could have done my cluster ornaments the way I wanted to do them this year, but I don't think it would have looked right. Not on that tree. On that kind of tree. Or, I mean, it doesn't have to be this kind of tree, like with this fake snow on it or whatever. It doesn't have to be something like this, but at least have like thicker limbs. These have thicker limbs. I think that would be better than what we got. How the hell they got this on here? I'm thinking about doing these little blue ornaments, the smaller ones. So the smaller blue ornaments, I want to do the cluster ones for these. So let's just say if I was to do, come on, get off of there. So like if I was to line them up in 4, probably put it over the cranberry. And like it'll look like that. Or you think that's too small? Well, I can do more. Uh-oh.
Will that fall off?
No, but I'm gonna tie it on there. I just have to get string. But like, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, I can see that. So, oh geez. Okay, let's see. So I'm thinking something like that. Put the little blues everywhere in clusters. And yeah, it'll be blue. Or if I can find some small silver ones as well, it can be blue and silver maybe. But I need more of these, the small ones. But I need to get string and more of the small ornaments, the small ones. And I think that's it. That's it, that's all. The wreath should be going up tomorrow on the front door. And it's gonna look so cute. I honestly want it to be personalized, so have like the Bennett's going across, but we can do that another year. They like, okay, you're doing too much. So this is gonna be the end of Vlogmas Day 7. I hope you guys enjoyed my day in the house video after work. I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 8. Peace.